YouTube, so welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to loose lace and like how to like tie your Jordan 4's like in a knot like that. Cause y'all always be asking me like, how do you do it? How do you lace your 4's? Like y'all just be blowing up, especially on TikTok. But I'm gonna go ahead and drop this tutorial for y'all. And if you do find it helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. So without further ado, let me go ahead and get into this tutorial, because I know when I be getting my Jordan 4's in, or when I got these in, I wasn't doing YouTube yet, but I used to like always search up like tutorials how to lace, how to loose lace, like Jordan 4 Black Cat in hand. I used to do like all that before I started doing YouTube, but now I'm gonna start doing them type of videos so y'all can start tuning into my channel for those type of content. But let's go ahead, get into the video. Make sure leave a like. I already said it, but just do it to please the algorithm gods. So I'll be teaching y'all how to tighten a knot like that. As you can see, I really do like how I lace these. I don't even know how I lace these, but this is like super clean. As y'all can see, that's like a really. And then also for some of my shoes, I got them laced like this, which I don't like. I'm gonna definitely change it, but yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to loose lace too. And I'm gonna probably be doing it on these ones right here, since we just got these in. I don't want to mess up my Black Cats because these are just perfect. But I'm gonna be doing it on these shoes right here. So I'm gonna go ahead, set the camera up, get a close up for y'all so I can see every movement, every finger movement that I make. So let me go ahead and set up the camera for y'all. All right, so actually I'm gonna just use my Lightning 4 since this is like a really bright shoe, so you can see like everything I do. So as you can tell, I already have these lace or loose lace actually. So this is probably gonna be the end product. I'm not gonna have it just like this, but I'm gonna change it up a little bit. Oh, I have them tied in, so like you see these right here when I wear my pants, because I wear baggy pants, they be like all out like that. So I just tie them up like that so they can like stay up. So I'm gonna go ahead, and y'all need to go ahead, take the laces out all the way until you get to like this one right here. So go ahead, take your Jordan 4's, dead stock, used, whatever. Go ahead, take the laces out so you can have a blank or empty canvas to start with. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed the process up so y'all can see what it should look like when I finish. Okay, so as you can see, I had the first one done. Here is what I want you guys to do. Let me move the camera. All right, so look, this is how it should be when you finish, just like this. So go ahead and do it to the other shoe. I know I just said that twice, but just do it to the other shoe. I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up again. All right, so I finished. Oh, so also another thing is, let me make sure when you look, make sure the laces are even. So just make sure they're even. When you pull, make sure they are even. Let me put that back. All right, oh, hold on. All right, there we go. So just make sure the laces are even. You pull them, they're even. I can't put that in much simpler terms. Just make sure the laces are even. So do what you gotta do to adjust them. All right, so here's the most crucial step. You go in, then out. And then for this shoe right here, you're gonna go in first and then out last. So make sure the in always goes in, so it'll be at the bottom, and then the out will always be over it. So let me go ahead start on this one. So like I said, put it in, make sure it goes in smoothly. Just take your finger right there, guide it, make sure it goes in, make sure lace doesn't like twist or whatever. Make sure it just goes in straight, flat, just like that. And leave like a little bit of space. Don't pull like too hard. Make sure leave a bit of space, because you are loose lacing these. So go ahead and repeat. Make sure this one goes on the outside. Outside goes last. Inside goes first. So go ahead and put this one in. See right there, just guide it in. Don't pull too tight. Make sure leave a little bit of space. And then when the outside lace is in, make sure, I don't know how to explain it, but just the inside lace goes first, outside goes last. All right, see, look, see how I'm putting this one? Wait, all right, there we go. See how I'm putting this one in first? Guide it, Boom, right there, done. And then you take your outside lace, put it in last. So pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up for you. I'm pretty sure you don't need me to talk the rest of this, so you go ahead and play the music.
17. You so wavy.
Okay, so I'm done. If you guys followed my steps correctly, it should end up like this. See, this looks perfect actually. See all the inside laces? They're underneath and the outside is over top of the inside laces. So it should look like this. Nice and clean. So what you want to do next, just take your fingers and just pull out. Start at the top and then move down. Just keep moving down. Make sure to go in between the lace holes so you get each row. So look, just keep doing that. Keep going out. Keep pulling them out. Just like that. Simple concept. None should not be hard for you guys. But see, nice and clean. Make sure to adjust them a little bit if some are like too loose, but they should look just like this. You can adjust them to make them look perfect. So here they're right here. Pull the tongue out too also. You can do that. But see, I know it's not like the loosest lace, but I don't like my shoes like, cause I don't like my shoes like the lace is like coming out. This is loose lace enough. This is good. This is perfect right here, as you can see. But you can like adjust it like however you want to adjust it basically. But this is just how I like mine. You can keep like pulling them out or make them looser, but this is just how I like mine, me personally. So I'm gonna do it two ways. First, I'm gonna do it with the laces like hanging out like this, and then I'm gonna do it like just watch the video. I don't even know how to explain it for real. And then third way, I'm gonna just tie it up in a knot like how I have my black cats. So first, take this one, bring it in, put it through. See that bottom hole right there? It doesn't really matter which hole, but just put it through the bottom one, trust me. And then take this. Look, you can leave it like that, just like that, hanging out. Or you can take it, put it through, hold on, can y'all see that? Put it through that hole right there. That hole right there. And then pull, and leave it like, hold on, let me move this one out the way. Leave it like that. Or you can pull it out, have it like that. Or here's the third way right here. All right, so look, here are my black cats right here. See how I did those so perfectly? So look, here's the reference right here. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna redo it to make it look perfect, just like those. So I'm gonna take these laces right here and I'm gonna make it shorter this time. So I'm just take it, just over my finger, make it short as possible. So like the thing might fall apart, but just grab them again and put them back in a circle. Just like that. Boom, put it in between the circle. And then just pull. There you have it. And then just, hold on. And then just pull these. Bruh, how did I do that? I don't even know. Oh yeah, look, see? There we go. Get out the way. All right, look, there we have it. Somewhat have it. See, look. You guys can kind of like see, it kind of looks the same. I'm gonna show y'all what these look like with me wearing it, because it do look really good. But hold on, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like on feet. All right, so like here are the black cats right here. See, little thing pokes out right there, and it looks really good, really clean look. I know it's not like the loosest lace ever, but it is still clean. So as you can see right there, pretty clean, nice little sleek look. And I also like my pants. It's like with the lace, with the I don't even, winglets, whatever, the things. I just like my things like, pause, that sounds weird, but I just like these like poking out, bro. I don't like to cover them. Or if my pants are like baggy enough, I will cover them, but as long as your tongue is covered, it's cool. and your back is covered like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and put on the lightning so y'all can see what that looks like. Hey, look, see, it came out like really nice. So as you can see, pull them. See, look, I just like the way these look. Perfect. I know my lightning's a little bit dusty, but it's okay. I barely wear these. So see, look, nice little clean, sleek look. I like the way the laces look. See, a nice loose lace. I might have to fix this, but see, look, it's perfect right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the other shoe and show y'all. All right, so it's gonna be the same concept for this shoe. In goes in first, and then out goes in last. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna speed this up for y'all since y'all already know what to do. All right, so I just finished. Go ahead, do what I told y'all to do on the other shoe. Just pull these out to your liking. I know what I do in the video you may not like. I don't care. Just I'm giving y'all like the blueprints, and y'all just finish building the house with it basically. So y'all just customize it to your liking. So go ahead, pull it out to whoever what you like, and go ahead, pull these. Make sure they're even again, like I said earlier. Mine are kind of, hold on. All right, bet they're even. Boom, take it, hold it, wrap it around your finger. It's like, hold on, wrap it around your finger like as tight as it can be. Then take this, pull it off your finger, make sure loop, see the loop right there? Take these, put it right there, and then just pull. Simple concept. Dang, look how long. Hold on. Oh, I forgot to do. I'm tweaking. Hold on, I forgot to do that one. I need to go up one more. That's why. All right, hold on. Boom. Take this. Put it in one more. That's why it wasn't coming out right, for real. Cause I wasn't even doing it correctly, for real. So yeah, just take it. Put it in the bottom one right there. And then just now take it. Wrap it around your finger. It should be like super duper hard. Or super tight to do it now. Yeah, this is kind of challenging. Kind of struggling a little bit, low key. Boom, and then you take it like this. Wrap. You could, hold on. Try to wrap it. And then, hold on. God, why is this so hard? Pause on that. Hold on, bruh. Low key struggling. Yeah, but it should be hard to like, that's how you want it to be for real. Or else you're not doing it right. You should like struggle to be. Hold on. Boom. And that's how you do it right there. See, look, that's how my black cats came out. See? That's how it came out like that. That's how you're supposed to do it right there. So let me go ahead and fix it on this pair right here. If I can, hopefully I can. I don't even know for real. Because I also keep struggling. Whoops, got a little knot right there. All right, take it. Which way is it? This one goes in first.
17.
Put that one in right there.
So wavy.
And then, boom. And put this one in. Boom. Pull it a little bit. Pull these up if you need some like extra laces or need some extra lacing. And then take this. Yeah, I need some more. Hold on. I need to borrow something from y'all real fast. All right, bet. There we go, right there. So take it, struggle, get a red finger or a purple finger. Hold on. Why is this so difficult? Hold on, y'all. Y'all just bear with me. All right, look. Come on. Don't mess up.
17. You so weak.
Bruh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get it one day. Hold on. Don't rush me. I'm gonna get it one day. Look. All right, this one right here. This one right here. We got it. We got it. We got it. Boom. Right there. Perfect. Dang. Hold on. That little bit too loose. Hold on. I don't even look right, bro. Let me just move some of these up real fast. Boom, 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 boom. Hold on. All right, boom. There we go, right there. So, right there, YouTube. We got the tutorial for you guys. We got the black cats right there. Because I know a lot of y'all, especially in my TikTok comments, y'all be like asking, how do I lace my 4's? But this is how you do it right here. I just want to go ahead and help you guys out for real. So, I'm gonna catch y'all back in the room. All right, YouTube, if you enjoyed that video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. That's the least you can do because I just gave you a whole entire tutorial how to lace your Jordan 4's. So if you left it or if it was helpful for you, just make sure to leave a like. Let me know how I did. This is like my face. Oh my gosh, I keep stuttering. But this is my first tutorial. I'm gonna keep that in too. I like just keeping like moments like that for real in my video. I don't edit it out. I'm showing like 100% me, but there it is right there. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Winter lookbook dropping. Hold on. Winter lookbook dropping soon, so y'all stay tuned.